Hi, I'm Nathaniel Ether, content and social media strategist here at Shepherd's Hill Academy, and today I want to take you behind the scenes once again to see what we do here. And right now, as you can hear, I'm outside of the workshop and we have Jason, who's in control of all of our grounds and everything. So let's go see what he's up to. Well, hey everyone. Jason here has so nicely has agreed to let me ask him a few questions. So Jason, tell me a little bit about yourself as far as like what's your title, what you do here at Shepherd's Hill Academy.
All right. Well, I am the maintenance supervisor, and so pretty much I do everything from landscaping, plumbing, electrical, take care of the vehicles, so pretty much everything. A lot of mowing, a lot of weed eating, taking care of the pool, but yeah, all sorts of fun stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, rumor has it that you not so long ago installed a disc golf course here at Shepherd's Hill?
That is correct. Yes, we have a 18-hole disc golf course, and just got done with it last fall, but we're still actually raising money for baskets.
Oh.
And so if anybody wants to donate some baskets, we're looking for about, I think, 6 more baskets. We did a tournament last month and we're able to raise enough money to buy 2 more baskets, so we'll still need about 6 more to finish the course. Right now we're just borrowing baskets from people.
Okay.
So.
Well, hey, if any of y'all there are enthusiasts for disc golf, you know our number. What is something that you really enjoy about working here at Shepherd's Hill Academy?
Well, the main thing is the people here. Great people. Love the people I work with. But also just been working here for, I guess, about 5 or 6 years now, and just seeing how this place has changed and grown, and with the highway going through, it's you know, changed a lot, and then a lot of campuses moved to the other side, which has meant a lot of work for me getting that ready. But yeah, it's just it's a beautiful campus. I love it here. I mean, the mountains, and I love being able to take, you know, something that didn't look the best and then make it look really nice. And so it's nice to see after you've done work on something, making it look good. And so it's very rewarding in that kind of sense. But yeah. Also, the main reason I love it here is the people. Good people. Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard a lot about that, about the great work culture here. So if you're also looking for a job and want a place that's going to encourage you in your place of work, you can also call us for that too. Well, thank you very much, Jason. I know we all appreciate your work around here and what you do. The place looks beautiful. You keep it that way, so we appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Till next time.